this communication is being recorded and it will be uploaded on Crime Free
Is
Bharat
it is
Mission
it is
YouTube
it
channel.
is it is it is it necessary or
Yeah, it is. It
on
is.
just
It is mandatory because whatever I am speaking to you, I am
uh-huh,
speaking to the globe. It is not
uh-huh.
personal communication between you and me. ये हमारे और आपके बीच का निजी
And
वार्तालाप नहीं है.
no, uh-huh. And I'm not a group. I'm a single person. So that's why
नहीं,
I
it
asked
does
you
it does
why are
not
you
it
calling?
it does not make difference. जो मैं आपको
Uh-huh,
समझाऊंगा वो दुनिया को भी समझाना चाहता हूँ. मैं
uh-huh.
आपसे आपका कोई निजी परिचित नहीं हूँ और आपसे
Uh-huh.
कोई निजी बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, इसलिए हमारी
That's
हर
why
बात
that's
जो
why
है.
I called you up. That's why I called you up. Why did you add my number in this book?
I added your number because I felt you may be a good person. You would like to.
No, without knowing any person, I don't entertain anybody.
Okay, that's your pleasure. I am giving you an opportunity. If you don't want to avail, nature gives the opportunity to everyone. If you don't want to avail the opportunity, it is your fate. It is
No,
not the
it's
fate
not.
of the nature.
It's
Say
not
if
matter
you
the
if
opportunity.
say it is
If
your fate.
anybody,
Let me tell you, it
yes,
is your fate because you are living
because
in a
I
country
just
which is. Just a minute. Just a minute.
uh,
What's your good name,
uh,
please? What's your good name, please?
my name is Sanatan Kumar.
Sanatan Kumar. Mr. Sanatan Kumar, I would like to tell you that you are being
Uh,
befooled for last 75 years. You are given an impression you are living in an independent country, which you are not. You have been
uh,
given impression that you are living in a democratic country. You are not living in a democratic country. Your elected representative are not really elected by you. Your elected representative also all the ruffians. They are criminals. They are party changers. They are not the good people. These politicians are not giving the ticket to the good people.
no,
And
these
and we
people use
intelligent
that.
people, we
Yes,
intelligent
yes.
people, we are not even taking enough pains to inform public. Are we
I
good
did your
people? Are
point.
we good
No,
people? I am
I,
asking this question. Are we good people?
no. I noted it. I noted down your point. But we are elected these people, so we are suffering for that.
No, you have not been given right kind of the option. If they will not give the ticket to the right kind of the person, and even if you elect someone as a independent, he would not be in position to make any difference. So you are destined. Let me, Mr. Sanatan, let me ask a simple question from you. Had you been the first prime minister of this country, would you like to thrust the colonial rules which were meant to insult, humiliate, and oppress you and exploit you, and not only that, to drag you in the or entangle you into the process which will run into the many years? Would you like to thrust this kind of the
No, I
colonial
think
rules on our people? No, I'm
I
asking
don't
a
want.
question. I'm asking a very
Yeah.
simple question. Imagine you had been a prime minister of this country. Would you like to thrust the colonial rules which were deliberately enacted to humiliate, insult, oppress, exploit, and drag you in the legal process for many years? Had you thrust this kind of the legal system on your own people? This is a very simple question.
I just want to ask you, how old are you?
I am 62 years old, and
Uh,
I am
and
former. Just a minute. I am former DGP of Madhya Pradesh. I had been DGP for 7 years. I was the
uh-huh.
DGP Railway. I was the DG Home Guard Civil Defense and Disaster Management. I was DG Police
Uh-huh.
Reform, and I am heading
Uh-huh.
at the moment two
Yes.
two.
No, you are
Just a minute. I am heading two
you
national
are
police
much
missions.
uh-huh. You are more experienced than me, and I'm just whatever you are thinking, you go through it. I don't mind it. Whatever you wanted to
It is not question of
spread messages to the society
Sanatan,
or to
Sanatan, my friend, it is not question of minding you. It is question of
yeah.
how are you contributing as a young citizen. Are you transforming your ecosystem, or you are happy to live with the colonial setup which has been thrust on you, where your politicians are not the good people. They don't intend to provide you good ecosystem. You are made to suffer. You are beaten, you are insulted, and you are not being attended to in Thana. Your FIR is not being registered. Whereas
Do you
someone else,
think
where
right?
Huh?
Do you think right now it is all system are corrected?
Yeah, yeah.
How
That
can you say
crime.
that?
Oh, yeah. That. I will.
There is no correction nowadays.
Oh,
Absolute problem.
there is such a system which will correct this by 2024. If the people collaborate, I guarantee that no politician will be in position to win election in 2024. It will be won by the crime-free Bharat Chandraguptas, and that too without spending a single penny, without going before anybody and asking for the vote, without having any single portrait, without having a single news in any newspaper, without having a single coverage in any news channel. Still, crime free Bharat would be making difference with
I
21
think
objective in its place.
I think every individual have a right to think of own decision. So
It
we
is
can't
not. That's
influence
precisely I am
every.
saying. That is precisely I am saying. Ki as a
Yeah.
citizen, you can take four decisions. Number
It is
one.
my decision to whom I have to choose.
Okay,
Okay,
very true. It
and
is your
I'm
decision.
not
It is
biased by
your
anyone.
decision to just a minute. It is your
I'm
decision.
if
Just
a
a minute.
person having a good human being and it is
I
not.
am saying it is your decision to continue as a slave. You can very
Yeah,
well take that a decision. You can take a decision to be continuously humiliated by the system. It is your decision. You can take
right,
a
right.
decision
So
that you will suffer from the mehagai and all kind of the atrocities. It is your decision.
yeah.
It is
So
certainly your decision. Nobody can thrust
let me
you.
think about it. Okay,
If
yeah,
you feel you are not a right person, you can exit from the group. Who is blocking you? I mean, that is not a
that's
big
right.
deal.
Yeah,
That is not that you can always do. What is so great about it?
okay.
One individual with the slave mentality, if he exit the group, how does it make a difference to Maithili Sharan group? Does it make any difference to him? Me? No. You will continue to live as a slave. It is going to make a difference to your destiny.
Of
You could have transformed it, which you failed to appreciate. It is your problem, not my problem.
yeah, yeah. Right.
So I think we can close this discussion. You can still
Yeah,
ponder.
I think so.
Just a minute. Just a minute. I will request you, if you are having time, go to the Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel. There are 3,200 odd videos how this 21 objective with their ready models will be come into existence on the ground. It is not something just like a passing time. It is a very serious activity which is happening, and I am surprised that young people like you, they are so selfish and they want to live like a slave. I really pity on you. I pity on you.
When no. If we have the time, we have good. We are doing some work for the societies also. We can't say
Say,
that we are
say doing a small work for the society, and still
Yeah.
it is still continuing to live in a
And
just a minute, just a minute. See,
uh,
it is very good that you are doing
have
something for the good for the society. Whether your good is making any difference to the society, or if you are making a difference to the 4, 5, 10, or 100 people, what about the remaining people of the country?
no, if everyone is responsible for that. I'm
I am
no.
saying if somebody is providing you the ecosystem where this country will be changed and not being receptive to the idea, I pity on you. You should be at least receptive to the idea. How these young people, I mean, why you want to live in the same kind of the eco-colonial system? Why you want to, every day being humiliated before the system sitting in the administrative or judicial system?
No, I
You are
don't want to give any liberty to any person to humiliate me, even related to my person. Okay.
liberty to ameliorate your own situation, improve your situation. Liberty should not be to destine yourself to live like a slave. Use your liberty meaningfully. Please use your liberty meaningfully.
I'm doing.
That's exactly I am saying. Ki your liberty should be meaningful to yourself and it should be equally meaningful to the rest of the country if possible.
Let's okay.
So still you can ponder on it. If you revise your decision, it will be good for you. If it is not, then it is your destiny.
Yeah,
Jai Hind,
thank
Jai
you.
Bharat, Vande Mataram. This side Maithili Sharan Gupta, former DGP and National President of the Crime Free Bharat. मैं इस देश की सभी जनता से अपील करता हूं कि it is the time to join Crime Free Bharat Mission and change the destiny of our country. If it does not happen this way, I pity on your own destiny. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.